We spend a lot of time perfecting our skincare regime. One without harmful toxins, plastics, and ingredients we can't pronounce. So why don't we look for the good in our makeup too? Nude by Nature is makeup that's more than just cosmetic. It not only enhances your appearance, it benefits your complexion and works hand in hand with your skincare to make you look and feel better. With native Australian ingredients like kakadu plum, lily pilly and vitamin E to nourish and protect. Because real beauty is more than skin deep. Our makeup doesn't just look good, it's good for you. Nude by Nature, the foundation for better skin.